Welcome to another series of hair revamping. We've done different series with different wig with different kind of hair for you to revamp. The benefit of this series is that you'll be able to revamp any kind of wig at the end of the series. So if you haven't watched the remaining series, quickly go to my channel, go to my page to watch the rest of the series. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can revamp your silky straight. Yeah, this hair is a silky straight and a very long one for that matter. I have done the revamping of this video. If you haven't seen it, do well to go and watch the revamping of this video. So here is the styling part of it. So let's dive into this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Diary of a Hair Lover, a channel where you get to learn more about hair styling, hair care products, hair installation, and many more. Do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section if this is your first time of seeing my video so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Now let's go into styling of this hair. First thing I did is I spray my heat protectant spray all over this hair. But before this, I already rubbed my hair serum and I make sure it gets all over the hair. Though I make sure the hair serum was not that much. So I go in with my heat protectant spray. I spray it very well on all over the hair. I like to do this because I am going to blow dry this hair and I need to put heat protectant spray. So next thing is blow drying. Make sure you blow dry your wigs before styling. You will see the difference. Honestly, you're going to see the difference. If you blow dry your wigs before styling, you're going to see the difference. So this is me blow drying this hair and it came out really nice. Even before styling, it came out really nice. And you're not just blow drying, you're blow drying with a brush. Yes, you need a brush to stretch it while blow drying. Yeah, exactly. That's what you're going to do. And when you're done with that, you can proceed to styling of the hair. By now, you should already know what to do first when you want to go into styling. You section your hair. Yeah, you section your hair. You start by sectioning your hair. Then after sectioning the hair, you go into smaller sectioning as well, just like this. So it will be easier for you to work with, to style, to straight, to coil, to do anything with it. So right now, I'll be straightening this hair. You can see the way I hold my straightener with my comb. I'm not just pulling the straightener down the hair. I am using that comb as a diviner. When you straight your hair this way, it's going to give you that bone straight texture. Your hair is going to come out really nice, really lush. I promise you guys. Just try this method. Try this method and you're going to see. And I am not just straightening this hair. I'm not just clamping the straightener and bringing it down. I am hard pressing. Make sure you hard press your straightener. That is when it is very much effective. When you hard press your straightener on the hair, it is very much effective. You can see how the hair is looking. Just the first step and it's already giving. So we just proceed and we keep sectioning the hair and styling, sectioning and styling, sectioning and styling till we get to the front of the hair. That is the closure or the frontal part of the hair. And when you're straightening, don't just go one time, two times, and you just leave the hair like that. You are not going to get that result you want. Make sure you go multiple times. When I'm straightening, at least I go over the same spot like 5 times. That is when you're going to get that effect. This is not about your straightener is a professional straightener, your straightener is hot, your straightener. My straightener is a professional straightener, very hot. I am sure you can see the heat from this video, but nevertheless, I still go like 5 times to get that effect, that look I want. That is the mistake you are doing. That is what you are doing wrong while other stylists are doing right. And you wonder, how come I'm using the same straightener as this person? How come this person work is more smoother than mine? How come this person work is more neater than mine? How come this person work is this than mine? This is what you're doing wrong. You go over your own maybe twice and the other person go over theirs maybe 5 times, 6 times, and that is the difference. It is not about the straightener you use. It is not about the kind of hair. The kind of hair matters sometimes, but when you use this method, no matter the type of hair, it is going to come out really nice, really nice, and you're going to love it. Make sure you try doing your hair like this. Make sure you try this method. So right now we've gotten to the closure part. This hair is a 7x7 closure, very wide, as you can see. So you go over section by section like you've been coming from the bundle straight to the closure or the front side. You go in section by section. You straighten out the whole closure. Yeah, you straighten out the whole closure. If it's the frontal, you straighten out the whole frontal. After straightening, that is when you are going to start styling the kind of style you want, this kind of pattern you want, center pattern, half pattern, or if you want to do any other style you want to do with the closure or the frontal, that is when you're going to do it after you are done straightening the whole hair. make sure you straighten every part of the hair. Styling the closure of frontal part is kind of very easy because the hair there is always more softer than the bundle, but sometimes the bundle are always more good than the closure of frontal. Depends on the kind of wig and depends on what you use on the wig. So it's not always all the time softer than the bundle, but most times it's always softer than the body. So working on the closure of the frontal part is always kind of very much easier. And again, you have to be careful. As easy as it is, you have to be careful while working on the closure and frontal parts, because if you are not careful, you are going to rip the lace. Yes, you are, or you are going to pull the hair. So you need to be careful while working on your closure or your frontal. So you won't pull the hair and you won't rip the lace. As you can see, I am almost done with this front. And just take a look at this closure. Take a look at this closure. See how it's looking. So neat. So, oh, I didn't tell you I ventilated this. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you I ventilated this. Look at that ventilation. Look at that hair. Look at how it's looking natural. It's giving scalp. That is how it should be. So if you haven't seen my ventilating video, how to ventilate your hair, just go to my page, go to my channel, go and watch how to ventilate. A very nice and perfect ventilating is what make a nice and perfect lace. Yes. Just take a look at this lace. Take a look at this closure. See how it's giving scalp. It's giving skin to skin. It's looking natural. It's giving airline, it's giving everything. And I'm just, every time I style this customer hair and I see my work on this wig, I am just always super proud of myself. Like, baby girl, you finished work on this hair. And that is how it's supposed to be. Recently, I've been obsessed with mousse because this new discovery of mine is just on another level. Because tell me, why did nobody tell me this all this while? Why am I just knowing about this? Use mousse to lay down your lace, and you're going to see the one that this work perfectly than hot comb and wax stick. I promise you guys. Just take a look at this hair. I did not use any hot comb. I did not use any wax stick. See how it's looking. Just take a look at how this hair is looking. It's laid down flat in a minute. It is flat and it's giving. There is no flyover. It's just looking so perfect. What is more perfect than this? Since the day I discovered this smooth method, there is no going back. I style my hair without hot comb. I style my hair without wax stick, and it's come out really, really nice. And I used to love it. And also my customers love it as well. And I'm sure if you try it, you're going to love it as well. So we've come to the end of this series and this styling video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do want to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget, if this is your first time of seeing my video, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Bye.